Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Love. Let's start cooking. Dried shrimp chili fried rice. Tastes the best with fried egg. Super easy and delicious. It can be ready in 10 minutes. Let's start cooking now. Corn kernels, eggs, sakura dried shrimps, garlic butter. Please view this video for garlic butter recipe. Overnight rice. Crack eggs into rice and mix well. 1 tablespoon dried shrimps chili and mix well. I bought this dried shrimp chili oil from Second Gen. It's yummy. Fried eggs. Fried eggs set aside. Stir-fry sakura dried shrimps. Scoop out half of fried sakura dried shrimp and set aside. Melt garlic butter. Pour rice and stir-fry evenly until fragrant. Add corn kernel. Stir-fry 2 minutes. Nice dried shrimp aroma. Scoop fried rice into bowl. Sprinkle fried sakura shrimps. Serve with my favorite fried nuggets. Dried shrimp chili oil fried rice is done. Add more fried egg and pear. With chili potty if you want. No seasoning is needed because dried shrimp chili oil has enough saltiness. Can't wait to share the tips I learned from chefs. To mix egg with overnight rice is one of the secret to make the fried rice tastier. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Let's try this 10 minutes recipe. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.